not often you see a pre-runner that looks so fine, especially with all the paint and cap matching. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Todd Schroeder. My goodness, this one is a beauty.
Yeah, we were really excited to have this in our booth this year. We have our Z2 cap on top of it. It's painted to match. Spent the last 50 years just trying to perfect that paint match quality. We've got it on this truck. On top of it, we have our A.R.E. Ascend basket. That's a great addition to it. It's a heck of a truck. We're excited to see it out on the dunes maybe sometime today or at the end of the week. But yeah, we're real excited about that.
I find it interesting that something like that could actually go out and get muddy and dirty because it's looking pretty fine.
Yeah, it's got great paint quality, but it'll hold up to that dirt and debris. It'll get dirty and you can clean that stuff right off.
Let's talk about the cap here a little bit, that Z2. What makes it so significant and special?
Well, the Z2 is actually a combination of our classic Z series, which is our top of the line unit, and we're adding some touches to it. So this is bonded in side windows, and right now on this truck we have our new pop-out windows for ventilation. When you're out on the dunes, it's going to get hot inside there, and we want to be able to kill that airflow. It gets really warm inside, and some of our friends that have caps have dogs, cats, kids, when they're hanging out inside. We want to keep them cool, get that airflow through there.
All right, the Z2, what else you got?
Well, you know what? On this one, we actually have our E-lock, which is an electronic controlled latch. So when you hit your fob, it locks and unlocks. We also have our new encapsulated lights. It's a strip light that goes on each side, has a nice hard surface around it. It's a great complement to the other accessories.
Is there anything that stands out that consumers and buyers are really digging about this thing?
Well, you know what? Besides the paint match, the frameless side windows that are bonded in, great carpeting on the inside, matches some of our partnership products with bed rug. It's just a great combination all the way through.
A.R.E. putting another great product out there. Z2, if you want more information on it, check out truck-hero.com.